Hello friends, today we are going to unbox the Skullcandy 683 dynamic headphones. I got this from Flipkart in the recent sale about for rupees 999. I have the link for to buy this product in the show notes. Let's get started and open this box. So it's a tight package. Let me open it. Here we have the box. It looks good. It looks good actually, very good. Nice packaging. Okay, let me open this and take this product out. Okay. I bought this product because it looks very stylish. Okay. Let me take this out. Yeah. So we have some pamphlet over here. Standard warranty guide, I guess. Uh, yes, it's a standard warranty guide. Okay. Let me put this to the side and take this out. So here we have this Skullcandy 683 earphones. Sorry, it's not earphone, it's a headphone. It's a